Welcome to episode 16 of Stuff We Should Know That No One Ever Teaches Us. Today we're talking about damaged baseboards and how to fix them. For this repair, you'll need a sanding block, multi-purpose putty, and a 2-inch putty knife. We're going to start by lightly sanding that damaged spot to knock down any texture. Next, we're going to grab our putty, add in the hardener if there is one, and use the putty knife to start filling in those scratches. We want to build up that corner and fill in the damaged spots, but don't worry about being too perfect here. Once it's dry, we're going to go back in with our sanding block and sand everything down. Use the edge of your sanding block to get the curved parts of the baseboard, and when it's as smooth as you can get it, it's safe to clean and repaint. And that's it. Let me know down in the comments what you want me to cover next. Follow along to learn more.